Section 6 Solar Panels. Lecture number 4 Solar Array Series and Parallel Wiring Connections. Learning objective of Lecture 4. Learner should able to understand difference between solar cell, solar module and solar arrays. Learner should able to understand series and parallel connection of solar panel. Now we will see the main difference between solar cell, solar modules and solar array. Basically, a solar cell is a building block of a solar module. By combining number of solar cells, we will produce a solar module. Now, when we connect number of solar modules in the series or parallel connection, that becomes the solar array. So whenever a power plant is built up, that time combination of number of modules in the series or parallel connection, it is called as arrays. Now we will see some points regarding solar cell, modules and arrays. A solar cell is a basic building block of a solar module. Each cell produces approximately 0.5 volt and a solar module can have any number of solar cells. A solar module designed for charging a 12 volt battery will typically have 36 solar cells, while the typical residential grid connected system uses solar modules with 60 solar cells. For large commercial and utility scale solar system, solar module will have typically 72 solar cells. By increasing the number of solar cells, the module voltage and the wattage increases. It depends upon the number of cells that we are connecting in the module. If you want to increase the voltage and the wattage of an solar module, simultaneously we should increase the number of solar cells. Most solar cells manufactured today are approximately 6" by 6" dimensions. Small custom solar modules will contain solar cells that are cut to smaller sizes. For example, if full size solar cell produces 10 ampere and it is cut in half, it will now only produce 5 amperes. So by the cutting of a solar panel to get a current requirement, that will be also done. As the solar cell is cut in half, its typical voltage remain unchanged as 0.5 volt. If we are cutting a solar cell into the two parts, the voltage of a solar cell that generates is same, but the current that will be produced is less than the earlier one. Now we will see the series and parallel wiring connection. The first is series wiring. Here we have chosen one module. Each module have 12 volt and 5 ampere of rating. Whenever we are adding module in series or connection of a module in series, that time voltage getting added and current will remain same. That is a very important, that whenever we are connecting the solar modules, that time in series voltage is getting added but current will remain same, as the module is having a 12 volt and current is having the 5 ampere of current. By connecting the positive negative terminal and taking out a power from negative positive terminal, the voltage is 24, 12 multiplied by 2, 24, and current is same, that is a 5 ampere. Now we choose a second array. Here we are connecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 number of solar modules. Each module have 12 volt. We are connecting the module in series, therefore the voltage is 96 volt, that is 12 multiplied by 6 is 96, and the current is 5 ampere. Because of the connection in the series, the current will remain unchanged, but the voltage is getting added as a 96 volts. Parallel wiring. In parallel wiring connection, let's say we choose one module having a 12 volt and the 5 ampere current rating. When we are connecting the modules in parallel means positive negative, positive terminal we are connecting on the one line, negative terminal we are connecting on the other line. So whenever we are connecting modules in the parallel connection, that time voltage will remain same and current will getting added. As the parallel wiring connection, the each current module ampere current is 5 ampere, so 5 multiplied by 1 2 3 modules, so we get 15 ampere of current and voltage will remain same. Series parallel combination. Here we are connecting the solar module in series and parallel connections. Let's say we are choosing the 6 module 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 modules, out of which these 3 module we are connecting in the parallel, and simultaneously these modules are also connecting we are in parallel. So 1 and 2 module, this we are connecting in series, so positive negative terminal is joined here. So these 2 module in series, this 2 module in series, this 2 module in series. As per the rule, if a module are connected in series, the voltage is getting doubled or voltage is getting added. So 12 volt plus 12 volt is 24 volt. Here is also 12 volt plus 12 volt is 24 volt. Here is also 12 volt plus 12 volt is 24 volts. So the voltage in a system is 24 volt, and the current, here we are connecting this 3 panel and this 3 panel, taking out a combined power. Therefore the each current of an panel is 5 ampere. If you are connecting in this series, the current will remain same. Connecting in series, current will remain same. For this also current will remain same. That time here is current is 5 ampere, this current is also 5 ampere, this current is also 5 ampere. So taking out this power, the current is getting added. So 5 ampere in this system, 5 ampere in this system, 5 ampere in this system, so total is 15 ampere and voltage is 24 volt.